Hey everyone, it's Neil, and check out what we have here. We have a pet toilet. Not even sure what this is. We're gonna check it out, see how it works, what it is. It looks like it's got something going on here. Oh, string for it. So we have the string to strap it on here. We'll set it up here. And it looks like the way it's gonna work, we'll open it up, and then we can grab, oh, we got a little bag. We have to set up the bag in here. How do we do that? Ah, there's the little bags. So we have to open it up. And then, okay, it'll go through the hole like that. See if we can, okay. So there, so now it's gonna be set up like that, and then it'll go in here like that. So that's gonna be the thing. So let's see if we have the bag. Ah, the bag will open up over these pieces, you see? So I've got it over this thing here, and then when we have a poop, we just go like this, and it grabs the poop, and then I can just go like that, and I don't even have to get too close to it, and then the poop comes out there. Pretty cool, cool little device. I'll put this on her little stuff so we take it with us, and we can be ready to get some poops on the next walk we go on, right, Penny? And then when we squeeze it up like that, we can stick it in here, and that'll be how we store it. Pretty cool, I like it. Get a little idea. Here's the little instructions for it if you need it. But that's the concept. Thumbs up.